I remember when I had my own fitness studio. Every afternoon, around 2, 3 o'clock, something would happen to me. My eyes would feel heavy, my focus would disappear or dissolve away. I'd reach for another coffee and then push through for an hour, hoping that things would get better. But again, by 5 o'clock, I'd crash and spend the evening on the sofa, wondering why I had no energy, and I couldn't really focus on my family, giving them the attention that I really wanted to do. I was doing everything I thought was right. I was eating healthily. I was exercising. I wasn't staying up too late either. So I was wondering what the problem was. Doing all these things, and still every single afternoon, my body would almost like shut down. It took me longer than I'd like to admit it to understand what was actually happening. But when I did, and when I remembered and changed just 3 things, that crush was gone within a week. This video is everything I learned in one place. And the afternoon energy crash after 40 is almost never really a caffeine problem. It's a blood sugar problem. More specifically, it's a reaction to hyperglycaemia, a pattern where we have way too much carbohydrates in the morning and spikes our blood glucose, and then your body responds with insulin. Your blood sugar drops far too low, and your brain sends out a signal saying it's in emergency, we need to find sugar. Now, we know after 45, this cycle can become more pronounced because insulin sensitivity naturally declines as we age. Your body is less efficient at managing blood sugar, which means swings become more dramatic, become more pronounced, and the crashes become more reliable. The solution is not willpower. The solution is changing what you eat for breakfast, and combined with the right lunch and the right physical activity, you'll see a dramatic shift. Now, these are some changes I want you to make. Change 1, protein at breakfast. Not yogurt with granola, not fruit, good quality protein. 13 grams of protein within the first hour of waking up, like eggs, Greek yogurt, no sugar, something like smoked sorghum. A protein shake if you're in a rush, but protein is key. Now, if you're going to eat breakfast, because we know that intermittent fasting can be beneficial, quality protein at breakfast stabilizes your blood sugar. And now for the next 4 hours or so, you won't be feeling that need to eat. Change number 2, cut the midday carbohydrate spikes. So those sandwiches, those pasta-filled meals, those heavy rice lunches, all produce blood sugar rises that will cause, inevitably, that mid-afternoon crash. So here's what to do. Swap in a protein and vegetable dominant lunch with good quality fats. That's going to help with satiety. Your 3 p.m. self will thank you for it. And change 3, move for 10 minutes after you've eaten. Short walk after lunch lowers blood sugar. Can do this by up to 30%. So if your opportunity arises, get out and do some walking. This single habit practiced consistently is one of the most underrated longevity tools available. Trust me, I'm living proof of this. Here's something I find genuinely remarkable. Eating pattern that I just described, real food, protein-rich foods, quality foods, movement, no processed spikes, is essentially what the scriptures have been describing as the natural human nourishment. They've been telling us this. That Mediterranean dietary pattern, which is consistently one of the most highly ranked longevity eating patterns we've known about, mirrors a diet of ancient people that have been sharing these secrets for many, many years. Healthy fish oils, olive oil, vegetables, maybe a little bit of quality bread. Eating in the community without rush, without pressure, is a simple way to help improve vitality in our lives. We overcomplicate things sometimes, and it's just a simple design, nothing complicated. And we know when the simple things are done consistently, they are the most powerful. What I'm about to share is the biggest single lever most people miss. And the good thing, it costs nothing, requires no equipment, and it takes less than 10 minutes a day. The 3 p.m. energy crash is a blood sugar pattern, not a discipline failure. Fix it with 3 steps. 30 grams of protein at breakfast. a protein and vegetable lunch, and a 10-minute walk after eating, if your timetable allows it. No supplements required. That's it. If you've been battling for this for a while, for even years I've spoken to people and doing this finally will make sense to you. So please share this video because there are people in your life, I'm sure, who need to hear it. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll talk about why working harder in the gym after the age of 45 is actually aging you faster than you need to be. I'll see you in the next one.